everyone, happy Friday. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be a vlog. I am sorry about the noise in the background, but my husband is taking a shower and I am prepping, well, helping my husband prep breakfast for his entire office. I'll explain that later because otherwise I'm gonna go on forever, but I am making pancakes. And he just made chili and I am going to make some eggs. Yes. Good morning. Anyway, so we look like a hot mess because it is 8:59 in the morning and she already had breakfast, but she saw me making pancakes, so she wanted her own. Yum. And look at these flowers that my husband got for me. They're gorgeous. He got these for me last Friday and look at how beautiful they still look. Okay, so hubby just left and I ended up making like 18 pancakes and a lot of eggs, and hubby made the chili. So that was a huge help. I'm gonna start getting ready for the day, get this face and hair ready because I'm a hot mess. Change, and once I'm ready for the day, I'm gonna start cleaning the kitchen. Yeah. Oh, Paw Patrol. We gotta get this little girl ready too. Yes. I gotta get this girl ready for the day as well. Clean the kitchen and then run to Target to exchange some shorts. Yeah. No. No candy right now. No. No. No comer candy. She's trying to eat her candy. Sí, si te comes el pancake, yeah. Yes.
Let's go open it. This one for later.
Uh-huh.
Open it. This one for later. Can you open it later? Yes.
¿Qué?
Okay.
¿Qué dijiste?
Open it candy. Open it candy. Open.
Ahorita no.
For the no.
Nope, not right now.
Candy. No candy.
No.
No right now.
No.
Not right now.
No.
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 Look at that disaster. So yes, guys, I want to leave the kitchen and living room picked up and ready so that we can run to Target, come back and finish the rest of the rooms and the bathrooms. So my goal for today is to leave the house spotless because we are off on Monday and we just want to have a family day without having to clean or do anything. So today is my day off. So I want to take advantage of the day and get everything done. Like seriously, get everything done. And I am saying it here in this video to hold myself accountable. I will show you guys later once every single room is clean. That is going to be my motivation to get this done, because usually I do living room, kitchen, I do her room, my makeup room, which is a disaster, and I will show you guys later. Her room is a disaster as well because I haven't cleaned it in like 3 days. And yeah, I will show you guys later. So this might turn into a clean with me video, but we will see how the day goes. So I'll see you guys. ¿Qué comes? No.
Mommy, kissy.
We're at Walmart and look at the cutest baby clothes ever. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to start shopping because everything is so
Mommy.
adorable. Yes, princess? I'm looking for some PJs for her because Walmart has some really good deals, and I'm looking for like a gown pajama for her, like a princess type of thing. So we'll see if they have any. I don't even know what I got that ended up being $50 and some change, but that's just the way it is. And I literally thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. So like I was saying, I ended up spending like $50 and some change, and I literally only got basic stuff that I needed. Well, I bought a Rimmel London Stay Matte liquid lipstick yesterday from CVS, and they're like $7 at CVS versus $5 here at Walmart. So I tried it out for the very first time and I fell in love with it. I fell in love with the color. And when I came to Walmart right now, they have such an amazing selection of nude lipsticks. I ended up getting another nude lipstick, and I think I'm gonna come back to get a couple more because they have some really cute colors. So I am in a total nude lipstick trend right now, even though we are getting into summer. I'm all about a bold lip, but I don't know what it is lately. I've just been loving nude lipsticks. So let me put it on so I can show you guys. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the perfect color for my skin tone for my lips. Honestly, it kind of looks like my lips, but a little bit better. I am obsessed with this color. I love it so much. This is going to be my all-time favorite nude lipstick. I can already tell you guys. I love it. It is so much better than the one I got yesterday. The one I got yesterday is also amazing, but the color on this one, I don't know, it is so beautiful. I can't I'm looking at the viewfinder because I love it so much, but this is going to be my every single day lipstick from now on, and it is only $5 at Walmart, because if you get it somewhere else, usually like CVS or Walgreens, it is much more expensive. So yes, I am going to stop rambling, get home ASAP so that little Miss Diva can take a nap and I can start cleaning. Okay, so it is 4:28 in the afternoon, and the only thing I have gotten done is the kitchen, because we literally got home at 3:30. I sat down for about 20 minutes and then got started with the kitchen because Grace fell asleep in the car. We ended up taking way longer than I thought running errands, so everything got pushed back. But let me show you guys the progress of the kitchen. I still have to clean a couple of cabinets that are left, like this one right here. But let me show you guys the lipstick, still looking good. Sorry, keep looking at the viewfinder. But yeah, let me show you guys the kitchen. I am so out of breath. So I have the sink, which is I'm going to save for last because I need to use that water, which has Pine Sol. Ooh, it's not gonna focus. There we go. So that is why I did the few dishes. All of the counters are clean. I even cleaned the stove, which was disgusting. So yeah, the floors are done. And I need to clean that area, which that area is my husband's job, duty, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, you guys, now I am about to get started on the living room. The living room literally is just, it's just disorganized. It's not a lot of cleaning. I did sweep and mop 2 days ago, so it's not as dirty. I just need to really pick up Grace's shoes, which she oh my god, I'm so out of breath. The counters are going to be saved for last, but anyway, so I'm gonna show you the before of the living room, and there's shoes all over the place and pajamas because Grace was choosing what shoes she wanted to wear, and she kept on choosing some that do not fit her at all anymore, which I need to go through her shoes and her clothes and separate it once again, everything that no longer fits, and separate all her winter clothes, even though it's still kind of early because it has been so cold and raining these last couple of weeks that yeah, it's not really spring here. But let me stop rambling and let me show you the before of the living room. So there is a runaway dog or a lost dog right outside, and he is freaking gigantic. I don't like big dogs, and he's really scary. So he had
like crazy.
he has a collar, and he has phone number on the collar, thank God. He's cute, but no thank you.
Sit. Knows how to sit already.
Yeah, no, we cannot keep him. He'll barely fit in here.
Down. Down, boy. Down. chef like crazy.
What did they say?
They're like, oh crud. It's a kid, I think, that answered.
Yeah, no. Don't come near me.
Stay.
He's old.
Huh?
He's old.
How can you tell with his eyes?
He just looks old.
Dude, no. Come here.
Bye. Okay guys, it is almost 7 o'clock and I want to show you some progress before I call it a day. This bathroom that I'm going to show you is still kind of being remodeled, so everything is clean. The floors are clean, the mats are in the dryer. So yeah, this is Grace's bathroom. As you can see, there's nothing super special about the bathroom because again, it's still being remodeled. We still have a lot of work to do in that bathroom. But yeah, let's move to the living room. The living room is all done. Feels so nice when you have a clean home. I need to put that stuff away, which I'm gonna do a little bit later, but let me show you the kitchen. I need to do those also, but everything is done. All the major stuff is done. So I am waiting for the clean sheets to come out of the washer and the dryer. Laundry is tomorrow, but this is all done, you guys. The floors are clean, the toilet is clean. I still need to decorate this part of the house. That mirror I need to clean, but yeah. So the mirrors are so spotty and ugly because I realized that I am out of Windex and I forgot to grab that when I was getting the rest of the cleaning supplies that I needed. So that's gonna have to get done tomorrow. So yeah, I really hope that today wasn't such a boring, my flowers are still looking so pretty, but I really hope that today wasn't so super boring. I am gonna vlog a little bit tomorrow, but just in case I don't get to vlogging tomorrow, I am gonna call it a day. I am going to say good night, and I will see you guys on the next video. Of course, I might see you tomorrow, so who knows, we'll see. Have a great night.